Alright, we're going to complete the square to put the equation into standard circle form. So how do we do this? Well, let's first write out what we need to see. In the standard form for a circle, we have x squared. Not x squared. We have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. So we don't have this right here. So we have to use completing the square to put it into standard form. So first, the way we're going to do this, the first step, we're going to organize our information. So in essence, we're going to put the x's with the x's, y's with the y's, and we're going to put the constant on the other side. And we're going to put the constant on the other side of the equal sign. So in essence, we're going to do this. Put the x's with x's. That means x squared is going to be next to plus 12x. Then the y's with the y's, we're going to put the plus y squared with the minus 4y. Then we're going to move this negative 9 to over here to the 0. So now we have x squared plus 12x plus y squared minus 4y equals 9. As you can see, we have our first group, we have our second group, then we have our constant on the other side. So we have to complete the square here twice. We have to complete the square twice. So I'm going to group this, and then I'm going to group this. We know we can complete the square because a is 1, a is 1. We're good to go. So the way this is going to work. Okay. So first, we know this is our value of b. So we're going to break this out to be x squared plus 12x. So the rule says it's going to be plus the following: b over 2 squared. That's what we have there. We're going to put that as a bracket. We're going to do the same thing there. Plus, you have y squared minus 4y plus b over 2 squared equals 9 plus, let's see if I can fit this in, b over 2 squared plus b over 2 squared. So when you complete the square, what you do to one side, you have to do the other. This is from the orange, and this is from the green. Okay, before we even continue, the b value, this is b. This is b. Okay, so now we have the following. We have x squared plus 12x plus 12 over 2 squared plus move it up a little bit more. Plus y squared minus 4y plus negative 4 over 2 squared. And we'll just plug this stuff back in once we get this simplified, because we're doing so much space. 12 divided by 2, 6. 6 squared would be 36. So now we're left with x squared plus 12x plus 36 plus y squared minus 4y. Negative 4 divided by 2 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared is plus 4. Plus 4 equals 9 plus 36 plus 4. Again, what we have here, we added 36 to one side, we have to do the other. And again, we add this 4, we do it right there. Okay? Then I'm trying to figure out, okay, well, to simplify it, to put it into the standard form, we have right here x squared plus 12x plus 36. What multiplies to 36 and adds up to 12? It'd be 6. So we have x plus 6 squared plus, right here, what multiplies to 4, multiplies to 4, adds up to negative 4, would be y minus 2 squared equals. Then we have 9 plus 36, 45. 45 plus 4 would be 49. Now we have it in standard form. As you can see, we have it in standard form. Our center, like the instructions will say in your classwork, would be negative 6, 2, and then the radius would be equal to the square root of 49, which would be 7. And that's how you can do it.